You're watching Foxtecc. In this video, I'll show you how to arrange apps on your iPhone, whether you want a cleaner home screen or just better organization. Start by tapping and holding any app icon until all the icons begin to jiggle. Once they're in this edit mode, you can drag the app to a new spot on the same screen or move it to another page by sliding it to the edge of the screen. If you want to create a folder, simply drag one app over another and release. It will automatically create a new folder with both apps inside. You can rename the folder by tapping on the name field that appears. If you ever want to reorganize, just drag apps in or out of the folder. To move multiple apps at the same time, hold one app with one finger and tap others to add them to a group. Once you've selected a group of apps, you can drag and drop them all at once into a folder or onto a different screen. When you're done, just tap Done in the top right corner or press the home button if your iPhone has one. That's all there is to it. Simple and fast, and your home screen will be much easier to use. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips. See you later.